How to uninstall Voloco from your phone. Done using Voloco or need to free up space? Here's how to uninstall Voloco in a few easy steps. On your home screen, look at the Voloco icon. Long press on Voloco icon. A menu will pops up. You will see options like remove app, tap remove app, tap delete app, confirm when asked, and boom, Voloco is now removed from your device. If you change your mind, just download it again from the Play Store anytime. If you had exported recording, they will still stay in your music or file folder even after uninstalling. And that's it. You have successfully installed Voloco from your phone. If this helped, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Catch you in the next one.